In this video, I will demonstrate that how you can create hotspots on images, how you can create a storefront of your images, and how you can create a 360-degree tour of your store, as well as how you can create 360-degree images using 6 different images, and by merging them, how you can add hotspot on them. To perform this all stuff, you need to log in into Storespot application. Then you have to click on upload, and you have to select the image which you want to add to your storefront. Then you have to just click on save image. So once you done that, you need to click on create new hotspot, where all your uploaded images will be listed. You have to select that image, and then click on click on the image where you want to add the hotspot. For now, I will add on this one. There are multiple type of hotspot types which are supported. You can, for now, I will use the product information type of hotspot. You can update the icon of the hotspot. Then select the image of the product where you are adding the hotspot. Then the price of the product, then the description of the product, the name of the product, and the URL where we want to redirect your users. Then you can add another type of hotspot like the call to action. There are multiple type of animations which are supported. Select the image of the hotspot. And the URL of the hotspot. Just click on save. You can as well as add video for your hotspot. Let's take any random video. Copy the embed code of the video and just paste it over there. So all these hotspots are added. You can change, you can edit these hotspots anytime by clicking on the hotspot. So once that done, when you visit on hotspots and click on this view button, you will see all the hotspots are added. You click on buy now, it will redirect you to the product page. Now to add a storefront, you need to click on manage storefronts, then add storefront. Then you need to give a website name. For now I will use fashion. There are two type of domain names which are supported. One is subdomain name of Storespot, or you can even use your own custom domain name for your storefront. So for now I will use subdomain name. Then you have to give subdomain name. Then you have to set the logo of your website, the address of your website, about us content. Then the contact phone number and the email address. Once you hit on save, the storefront will be created. You can visit the storefront, but right now it's blank because you don't have added anything to your storefront. So to add content to your storefront, you need to create the content first. So you can visit on dashboard and click on create new layout to create layout for your storefront. So first layout is about the slider. Then you have to just select those images which you want to add into a slider, and then select the gallery type as a slider. There are multiple layouts which are supported, the grid layout and the another. Then you just click set the name. Gallery. You can change this text of this look. You can make this to it this look. You can also set how many images you want to display into that slider. You can change the background color. You can set any color here, which should be matching to your website. The overlay text color as well, you can set according to your requirement. There are overlay text types, style types which you can use like button or text. For this demonstration I will use button. Once you save the layout and click on the preview, you will see the layout is created. You can click on the layout to preview your hotspots. Then you have to create categories for your website. The first category I will say clothes, and for that I will set these 4 images. I will say select the website and I will click on save category. Then I will create a second category. And I will save the category. Once you refresh the storefront, you will see all the content is updated now. The categories are created. Okay. But still the storefront is blank. So to add storefront content, you need to click on homepage settings, and you need to click on add new homepage settings. You need to select the website, then slider position, the gallery which we have created. Also for this demonstration I have created several other galleries as well, so I will select those here. Then for the banner position I will select image. Let's say I will use this one. And once you click on save settings, and when you refresh the storefront, you will see all the gallery which we created, that is listed over here. This is the another type of layout. This is the grid layout. You can click on buy now, it will redirect you to the storefront. Also when you click on the categories which we created, let's say the content is loaded with the hotspots which we added. So now I will show you how you can create 360-degree images. So to create those images, you can click on add new 360, and then there are two options are provided. One is equirectangular image, where you can use your existing cube map of 360-degree panorama image, or you can just create a 360-degree cube map using 6 different images. So I will demonstrate over here. um, I will name these and then for this demonstration you require 6 images. I will download some images. We just have to set images. I'm using any random images which are not planned for the demonstration. So once you hit on create 360-degree image, it will merge all these 6 images and it will create one 360-degree cube map where you can use for adding hotspot. So this is the cube map which is created with the all the product information which we added. Now we just have to okay, then you just select the you just need to put this plus mark on the product where you want to add the hotspot. You just need to select this URL, and once you click on create hotspot, it will create the hotspot that for that purpose, that image, which you can just use. Once you click on that, it will redirect you to that particular page. There are multiple types of hotspots which are supported. Like for example, I will use video. Just have to take the embed code and put it here. Once you click on save create hotspot, it will create the video hotspot. For the same product, you can create hotspot product information. So click on create hotspot, you can see the product information is updated over here. Once you click on add to cart, once you click on the publish 360 image, it will generate 360 view for your website, which is listed over here, and you can click on this preview button to preview the your 360 generated 360-degree preview. You can view your hotspots. To embed a generated 360-degree image, you can just copy this iframe code and put that on any HTML file and just save that file. So when you uh, visit that file, you'll see uh, your image is loaded with the hotspot you added. There is one more functionality in Storespot to create 360-degree tour. I will demonstrate that now. To create 360-degree store tours, you need to click on create tour. Then you have to select the images which you want to use for your tour. You use these three images, and then you have to click on select image and add hotspot. So you will see the images are loaded now. You can switch between the different scenes as well if you want to check the other scenes. So let's say in scene 1 I need to move to scene number 2 on, let's say when I click over here on this place, I need to move on scene number 2. So and once I click on create hotspot, it will show the other room text over here. Now in scene 1, when user click on this door, I want user to move on scene 2. Now I can add the common hotspots as well, like call to action. You can see the hotspot added. Here's the video hotspot as well. So scene 1. Now once you click on publish 360-degree image, the tour will be created, and you can just click on this view button to preview your tour. You see the hotspot is added over here. Then when you click on this button, the other room, it will move, it will take you to another room. You can view the video and you can see the room 2. You can click over there and it will take you to room number 3. You can add hotspots on these 3 beds, like for example how you can use this tour functionality for your storefront. So in that case you can use this type of images, which the cube map images, and you can add hotspot on all your products, like these bed sheets over here. You can add products on those. You can add um, product on this table, these beds, or the television even, or the rugs which are added on this wall. You can add hotspot to each and every product, and users can just view those hotspot by clicking on that particular hotspot, and they can purchase directly from that URL, from the buy button which is provided inside the hotspot. That way, the 360-degree images can be used for the storefront. Now, for embedding this, it's same like we did it previously. You just have to copy this whole iframe and just put it here. I will copy this and set what height width I need for the iframe. And once I refresh the page, you'll see the hotspots are loaded. Preview the hotspots. Can move to other room. Preview the hotspots. Can move to other room. So this is the basic demonstration of Storespot application. Thank you for watching.